Hey, Popsters! Cassie here, your go-to girl for all things fitness. Have you heard about the latest craze sweeping the workout world? It's wall Pilates. And trust me, it's about to be your new BFF. Imagine this, all the amazing benefits of Pilates, but with an added dose of fun and accessibility using just a wall. No fancy equipment needed, just you, a wall, and your determination to sculpt that dream bod. Wall Pilates is like magic for your muscles. It helps you build strength, improve posture, and increase flexibility, all while being super gentle on your joints. Plus, it's perfect for all fitness levels, whether you're a Pilates pro or a total newbie. Get ready to feel the burn and see amazing results with Wall Pilates. Pilates has been a fitness staple for decades, beloved for its ability to transform bodies from the inside out. This unique exercise method has captivated fitness enthusiasts around the world, offering a blend of strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. It's not just a workout, it's a holistic approach to well-being. Developed by Joseph Pilates in the early 20th century, this exercise method focuses on controlled movements, core engagement, and precise technique. Joseph Pilates, a visionary in the realm of physical fitness, designed these exercises to improve overall health and vitality. His innovative approach was initially used to help rehabilitate injured soldiers during World War I, and it quickly gained popularity for its effectiveness. Traditional Pilates often involves specialized equipment like reformers and Cadillacs, which can be intimidating and expensive. These machines, while highly effective, can sometimes be a barrier for those new to Pilates or those looking for a more accessible way to practice. The complexity and cost of the equipment have often limited Pilates to studios and specialized fitness centers.
Enter Wall Pilates, the cool modern cousin that brings all the goodness of Pilates to everyone. Wall Pilates is a game changer, making the practice more inclusive and adaptable to various fitness levels. It strips away the need for expensive equipment, relying instead on the simple yet effective use of a wall. Wall Pilates takes the fundamental principles of Pilates and adapts them using the wall as resistance. This method allows practitioners to engage their muscles in new and challenging ways, enhancing the benefits of traditional Pilates. The wall provides stability and support, making it easier for beginners to learn the movements while still offering advanced practitioners a way to intensify their workouts. This innovative approach makes Pilates more accessible, affordable, and dare I say, even more fun. The social aspect of group classes and the simplicity of the setup mean that more people can enjoy the transformative power of Pilates. Wall Pilates classes are often filled with laughter and camaraderie, creating a positive and encouraging environment.
So, how did this brilliant idea come about? The evolution of Pilates has always been driven by creativity and a desire to make fitness accessible to all. While the exact origins are a bit of a mystery, it's clear that the adaptability of Pilates has allowed it to evolve and thrive over the years. Instructors and enthusiasts have continuously experimented with new techniques and tools, leading to the development of Wall Pilates. Wall Pilates evolved organically as instructors and enthusiasts discovered the incredible potential of using a wall to enhance their Pilates practice. This method has opened up new possibilities for people of all ages and fitness levels, ensuring that the legacy of Joseph Pilates continues to inspire and transform lives. Okay, let's talk about the good stuff, the benefits. Wall Pilates is like a full-body makeover, sculpting your muscles, improving your posture, and boosting your overall well-being. First up, posture perfection. In today's world of slouching over screens, our posture often pays the price. Wall Pilates helps counteract this by strengthening the muscles that support your spine, leaving you standing taller and more confident. Next, get ready for a rock-solid core. Wall Pilates engages your deep abdominal muscles, building a strong core that improves balance, stability, and prevents those pesky backaches. And the best part? Wall Pilates is gentle on your joints. The wall acts as support, reducing stress on your joints while still providing an effective workout. This makes it an excellent option for people of all ages and fitness levels, even those with injuries.
Wall Pilates is a game changer. I love how it makes me feel so strong and energized. Plus, it's so convenient to do at home.
I've always struggled with lower back pain, but after just a few weeks of Wall Pilates, I feel a huge difference. My core is stronger, my posture is better, and the pain is practically gone.
I used to think Pilates was just for dancers, but wall Pilates proved me wrong. It's challenging, fun, and I'm already seeing amazing results in my body.
These are just a few of the countless success stories that demonstrate the transformative power of wall Pilates. Section 5. Feel the burn, see the change. A simple wall Pilates exercise. Wall Pilates is a fantastic way to strengthen your core, improve your posture, and enhance your overall fitness. It's a low-impact exercise that can be done by anyone, anywhere, with just a wall as your support. Ready to experience the magic of wall Pilates firsthand? This exercise is perfect for beginners and seasoned fitness enthusiasts alike. It's simple, effective, and can be done in the comfort of your own home or at the gym. Let's try a simple yet effective exercise that will work your core and improve your posture. This exercise targets your abdominal muscles, shoulders, and chest, providing a comprehensive workout that helps in building strength and stability. Stand facing a wall, about an arm's length away with your feet hip-width apart. Make sure your body is aligned and your posture is upright. This initial position is crucial for maintaining balance and ensuring the effectiveness of the exercise. Lean forward and place your forearms on the wall, keeping your elbows shoulder-width apart and your back straight. Engage your core muscles to support your lower back and maintain a neutral spine position. Step back slightly until you feel a gentle stretch in your chest and shoulders. This stretch helps in opening up your chest and improving your shoulder flexibility, which is essential for good posture. Inhale and raise one arm straight out in front of you, keeping your core engaged and your body still. This movement not only strengthens your arm muscles, but also challenges your core stability. Exhale and lower your arm back down. Make sure to control the movement and avoid any jerky motions. This controlled movement is key to building muscle strength and endurance. Repeat on the other side. Alternating arms ensures that both sides of your body are equally worked, promoting balanced muscle development and preventing any imbalances. Start with 3 sets of 10 repetitions on each side, gradually increasing the number of reps as you get stronger. Consistency is key, so make sure to incorporate this exercise into your regular fitness routine. Feel the burn and enjoy the amazing benefits of wall Pilates. With regular practice, you'll notice improvements in your strength, flexibility, and overall fitness. Keep pushing yourself and embrace the journey to a healthier, stronger you. Section 6. Ready to experience the wall. Pilates difference? Wall Pilates is more than just a workout. It's a fun and effective way to transform your body and mind from the comfort of your own home. No expensive equipment, no intimidating studios, just you, a wall, and the motivation to become your strongest, most confident self. So what are you waiting for? Ditch the excuses and embrace the power of wall Pilates. Your body will thank you for it. Section 7. Wall Pilates versus traditional Pilates. Which one is right for you? Now, you might be wondering, wall Pilates sounds great, but how does it compare to traditional mat or reformer Pilates? Let's dive deeper into the unique aspects of each to help you make an informed decision. Both types of Pilates offer fantastic benefits, but the best choice for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced practitioner, there's something in Pilates for everyone. Wall Pilates is perfect for beginners or those looking for a more affordable and accessible option. It's an excellent way to start your Pilates journey without the need for expensive equipment or gym memberships. It requires no special equipment and can be easily done at home. This makes it incredibly convenient for those with busy schedules or limited access to a Pilates studio. Plus, the wall provides support and stability, making it gentler on the joints. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with joint issues or those recovering from injuries, as it allows for a safer and more controlled workout. Traditional Pilates, on the other hand, offers a wider range of exercises and can be more challenging. With the use of equipment like the reformer, Cadillac, and Wunderchair, traditional Pilates can target different muscle groups more effectively. It's a great option for those looking to take their practice to the next level or who prefer the guidance of an experienced instructor. Group classes and one-on-one sessions can provide personalized feedback and adjustments, ensuring you're performing exercises correctly and safely. Ultimately, the best way to decide which type of Pilates is right for you is to try both and see what you enjoy most. Experimenting with both wall Pilates and traditional Pilates can give you a well-rounded experience, and help you determine which method aligns best with your fitness goals and lifestyle. Remember, you don't have to choose just one. Many people find that incorporating both wall Pilates and traditional Pilates into their routine offers a balanced approach, combining the accessibility and support of wall Pilates with the variety and challenge of traditional Pilates. So, whether you're looking to ease into a new fitness routine or push your limits, there's a Pilates practice that's perfect for you. Take the time to explore both options and enjoy the journey to a healthier, stronger you. Section 8. Finding a wall Pilates class near you. Ready to join the wall Pilates revolution? Finding a class is easier than you think. Many gyms and studios now offer wall Pilates classes both in person and online. Check out your local fitness centers, Pilates studios, or even community centers for wall Pilates classes. You can also find a plethora of online resources, including videos and tutorials, that will guide you through various wall Pilates exercises. Don't be afraid to try different instructors and classes to find what suits you best. Section 9. Join the movement. Embrace the power of wall Pilates. Wall Pilates is more than just a passing trend. It's a movement that's empowering people of all ages and fitness levels to take control of their health and well-being. With its accessibility, affordability, and effectiveness, wall Pilates is here to stay. So join the movement, embrace the power of the wall, and get ready to sculpt your dream body one wall Pilates exercise at a time. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun and effective workout routines, healthy recipes, and fitness tips. Let's do this, Popsters!